Hello everyone. So you've heard of CAD and now you're hearing all about BIM. So what's the real difference here? Is BIM just a fancy 3D version of CAD? Well, the answer is a definitive no. And in the next few minutes, we're going to clear up this confusion. It's not just about the dimensions, it's about fundamentally different ways of thinking. So let's start with CAD, or computer aided design. CAD is essentially a digital drafting board. And it's a brilliant way to create precise drawings where every line, every circle is just that, a line or a circle. They are independent, dumb geometries. If I want to create a plan view or an elevation view, I have to draw them separately. And if I change the design in one view, I have to manually update all the others. It's a collection of separate but linked documents. Now let's talk about BIM, or Building Information Modeling. BIM isn't just a type of software, it's a process centered around a virtual building model. So in BIM, you aren't just drawing lines, but you're modeling intelligent, data-rich objects. So with BIM software, a wall doesn't have to be represented as only lines. It's a wall object that knows it's a wall, what it's made of, its fire rating, its cost, and its manufacturer. And here's the magic. All of this information is connected because it's a single coordinated model. So when I do move a window in a 3D view inside of a BIM model, the plan, the section, and the schedule all update automatically. And this is the power of a single source of truth. So this coordination alone saves thousands of hours and eliminates countless errors. So the simplest way to think about this is that CAD creates a set of files, whereas BIM creates a centralized database of information about the building. And this database can be used for things that CAD can never do. For example, we can run clash detection to find conflicts before construction, create 4D simulations to plan for construction schedules, and also perform energy analysis to optimize performance. So just to recap here then, CAD is about drafting, it creates drawings, it's a digital tool for a manual process, whereas BIM is about modeling and information. It creates smart, data-rich models that manage information across the entire lifecycle of the building, from design and construction to operation and maintenance. So if we were to compare the two here, you can see CAD is the digital drafting board, consisting of geometry and lines, and it could be made up of multiple separate files. And it really is just tools for drafting, primarily used for design and documentation. Whereas BIM is more or less the virtual building, capturing intelligent object and data. And it's the single coordinated model, which manages which is a process of management. Okay, and that can be for the design, the construction, and the operation side of it. So I guess the difference between CAD and BIM is that it's not an upgrade, it's a revolution. And what do you think? Is there a CAD versus BIM story you'd like to share? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and subscribe for more BIM content. See you in the next one.